Myself Ulfat Begum, third semester student teacher, and happy Teachers Day. Now I will try to say something about the topic contemplation of educational changes in the COVID-19 scenario. The COVID-19 pandemic is first and foremost a health crisis. Many countries have decided to close schools, colleges, and universities. The severe short term disruption is felt by many families around the world. Homeschooling is not only a massive shock to parents' productivity but also to children's social life and learning. With COVID 19, schools are rapidly changing the basic way they do their work. Some have become old fashioned correspondence schools with the vast majority of interaction happening by written mails. Others have tried to recreate the school setting online using digital tools like Zoom and other apps. Others are in between, directing students to online tutoring and practice programs and posting videos. In the current crisis, COVID is forcing parents to be teachers and forcing everyone to be student and forcing parents and teachers to adopt online learning tools. Families are now stressed out trying to educate their children. They are also experiencing educational methods and tools that they have never seen before. Families will get more accustomed to online learning. However, this approach has the significant disadvantages that families have to play the role of hall monitor and teacher. Moreover, research consistently suggests that students learn less in fully virtual environment. A shift to some online tools could shift the role of teacher, making them more like coaches and mentors. They can point students to very good online lectures and then be there to provide guidance and feedbacks and to make connection across topics. The role of students and parents could also shift. Now that they have more places to look, they may be more likely to try and address learning needs on their own. When roles changes, everything else can change with it. But when people suggest things will never be the same, they are talking about something deeper, about how we live, about our habits, norms, and ways of living. For parents, teachers, and students, it's possible that some aspects of living might not go back to the way they were before. Thus, these changes of educational process during the COVID-19 has many advantages for improving and presenting our skills, knowledge, competency, ability, etc. among teachers, students, and also for the parents, but has the disadvantages in the same manner, especially when it come to the rural sector peoples. Thank you.